Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making barbecue chicken legs, and what you're going to need for that is 7 drumsticks. I have those defrosting in the microwave, but you're gonna put a rub on them, and you're going to use chili powder, paprika, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, some just regular salt, white salt, and then your barbecue sauce of choice. I just have some Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue, and you're also going to need some brown sugar. So I am going to get this started once my chicken is totally thawed out, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to start with the rub that goes on the chicken. So I have a tablespoon of garlic powder going in, tablespoon onion powder, tablespoon cumin, ground cumin, tablespoon paprika, tablespoon chili powder, and then 3 tablespoons of some brown sugar. And a teaspoon of white table salt. Now I'm just gonna give this a good whisk. So what I'm doing now is I'm just drying off my chicken as best as I can. And then once it's dry, I am going to coat it with some extra virgin olive oil, and then I'll coat it in the dry rub and place it in the slow cooker, and I'll show you what I do next after that. So I have the rest of the seasonings just at the bottom. I'm just gonna spread it out a little bit just because there was extra seasonings and I don't want to waste any of them. So now I'm going to lay my chicken in the bottom of the slow cooker.
Can I eat it?
What? This? No, it's raw chicken, girl. You want to get salmonella?
But it looks good.
So I had a little bit more drumsticks before when I did this, so it took a little longer. But so now, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to drizzle some barbecue sauce over top. And I don't really measure this part. It just get like an even coat, I guess, a little bit. Because at the end you're going to do more barbecue sauce.
It smells good.
Yes, the seasonings, you can definitely smell them. I'm going to take this baster and baste the barbecue sauce over top just to get them all evenly coated. So now I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to cook this on low for probably 3.5 or 4 hours. My slow cooker kind of cooks on a hotter temperature, I think. I'm gonna start with 4, and then you could do this on high for 3 to 4 hours, or you could do low for like 5 to 6 hours. I like my chicken at a certain temperature, so that's why I'm starting at such a low time. So yeah, we're gonna cook this for 4 hours, and I'll get back to you when it's ready to go on the broiler and crisp up a little bit. Alright everyone, so these have only been cooking for 3 hours on low and they are ready to temp. I just took the temperature and most of them are at 180, 190 degrees. So what I'm going to do is pull these out and put them on a baking sheet and broil them. So I just broiled these, basted the barbecue sauce on them as you saw, and I broiled them on high for 4 minutes, and they came out nice and caramelized. And I'm gonna just serve this up with some macaroni salad and some steamed veggies. I really hope you guys try this recipe. It's a very delicious barbecue chicken recipe. Hands down, one of the best I've ever tried. So I hope you try it. If you do, let me know. And I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.